So Isaac, let me get this straight. So DR Horton is just rolling out brand new, never seen before floor plans, and they're making them smart homes.
This new builder highlight is brought to you by the CQ Real Estate Group.
Hey everybody, it's Joseph Jacone with the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams. I'm over here at the DR Horton new build project with Isaac Herndon. Isaac is going to tell us all about these brand new DR Horton floor plans.
These are brand new, never seen before floor plans here in our beautiful market in Albuquerque. Things have gravitated towards smart home, and we want to be ahead of the curve, and that's what we're doing here.
Tell us, what are people saying about the house and what are they favoring about it?
Absolutely. So people are loving curb appeal. So curb appeal is very important. When you pull up to your brand new home, you want to have pride of ownership and feeling good about that home that you just purchased.
Right.
Another thing is that the layouts. We're going open concept. Things have trended towards that in the market, and that's what we offer. So you can have these spaces where you can have great shared experiences with friends and family. We have an award-winning designer who put together our design selections for the homes. So our included design package is going to feature large format ceramic tile and a broken joint lathe. It's beautiful. Granite is going to come with every home with a nice backsplash in the kitchen, and we also include great appliance package with every home.
All right, cool. So tell us a little bit more about some benefits with the home.
Sure. So we find that it's not always about how the home flows. It's very important how you're going to live your life in your home, you know, but how about how the home performs? We are a leader in building energy efficient homes. So when you buy a DR Horton home, you're getting a tried and true energy efficient home as well.
How long does it take to get a build done, and what is the customer looking at?
Absolutely. So we are excited to be here and be a big part of this brand new community. And right now I've actually got 10 homes building, some of which I can get a buyer into in 45 days or less. Or we could build a home for you. That process is about 5 to 6 months, whichever suits you best.
Right. Well, that is awesome. I just keep hearing that Volterra has a lot of things to offer, and I'm really excited for this new project for you guys.
I'm excited too.
And Isaac, I just want to thank you for being a builder highlight today. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Joseph.
If you want to hear any more information about what we have to offer, I want you to click that link below, register. We're going to go ahead and send you a virtual tour and some information about the DR Horton builds. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.